In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and fields of golden wheat lived a peasant girl named Ayla. She had a heart as pure as the crystal-clear stream that flowed through the village. Ayla's days were spent tending to the sheep, helping her parents in the fields, and dreaming of the world beyond. One crisp autumn morning, while chasing a mischievous lamb, Ayla stumbled upon a hidden glade. In the center of the glade stood a majestic oak tree, its branches stretching toward the heavens. Perched atop a branch was a brilliantly colored bird unlike any she had ever seen. Its feathers shimmered with shades of sapphire, emerald, and gold. The bird introduced itself as Zephyr, the guardian of the glade and a bestower of magical blessings. In gratitude for Ayla's respect for nature and her kind heart, Zephyr offered her 3 wishes. Ayla's first wish was for prosperity for her village. The next day, the fields were abundant with crops, and the village thrived. Her second wish was for healing, and soon her touch could mend injuries and cure ailments. For her final wish, Ayla asked for knowledge and wisdom. As the years passed, Ayla's fame spread, and travelers sought her wisdom. Despite the newfound attention, Ayla remained humble, using her abilities to bring joy and help to those in need. She built a school where children from neighboring villages could learn and dream. Ayla's story became a legend, passed down through generations. Her acts of kindness and her connection with nature inspired countless others. And as she grew old, Ayla returned to the glade one last time, her spirit joining the wind that rustled through the leaves of the majestic oak tree. Her legacy lived on, reminding everyone that even a simple peasant girl could change the world with a pure heart and the courage to dream.